Hi everyone, it's Ivana from Healthy Back Pilates. Thanks for tuning in. In today's session, we're gonna be working on our scoliosis. So we're gonna be using the breath and a few elongation exercises to find that center for our spine. So for this, we're gonna be using a towel. So grab a bath towel or grab a kitchen towel. And then you might want to have a pillow or a yoga block nearby just in case you need it. So we're gonna start in a seated cross-legged position. When you feel that your knees are higher than your hips and your lower back is rounded, you want to use a yoga block or the pillow and you're gonna sit up a little bit higher, yeah? So I don't need it, so I'm not gonna use it, but if you need it, make sure you have it. So we're gonna start with the breath. So I want you to place your hands on the side of the rib cage. And we're gonna inhale through the nose, expanding the ribs to the sides. So we're gonna breathe in, expand your ribs to the sides. And we're gonna breathe out, all the air out. So we got inhalation through the nose, expanding the ribs to the sides. So think about breathing east and west. And exhale all the air out through the mouth. Good, and just do that a couple of times for me. If you have any tension into the shoulders, you can also rub the rib cage like this with your hands. So let's take a breath in. And let's take a breath out. All the air out. Keep exhaling, keep exhaling, keep exhaling. And again, inhale, expand your ribs. Exhale. All the air out. Good, carry on like that. Now notice when you breathe in, you might feel that one side of the rib cage, it doesn't really like that. It doesn't really want to do that. So I really want you to expand that ribs that are compressed. So you're gonna breathe more into that side that's compressed. And you exhale all the air out. Let's do that twice more. Breath in. And breath out, all the air out. One more time. Inhale, expand your ribs. Exhale, all the air out. Good, and then just relax for a second and just wiggle your spine. Change the cross of the legs. From here, we're gonna add on. So we're gonna interlace the fingers and we're gonna reach your arms up to the ceiling. Try to relax your shoulders. If you have pain in your shoulders, you can also have your hands next to your hips in a fist position. You can use this position if you need. So interlace the fingers, arms up. And then same thing, working with the breath. So we're gonna inhale, we're gonna expand your ribs, east and west. And then on the exhale, I want you to draw the belly button in. So you pull the tummy in and you're gonna squeeze your buttock really, really hard. And then you're gonna push the ceiling away from you. So you are engaging your tummy, you are engaging your glutes, and you are engaging the crown of the head or the arms. So you're pushing the ceiling away, lifting that crown of the head up on the exhale. Inhale, relax, but don't collapse into your spine. Maintain that length. And then on the exhale, you draw the navel in, you're gonna squeeze your buttock, and then you push, push, push with the arms. And again, in breath. Exhale, draw the navel into your spine, squeeze your glutes, and then push, 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 push with the arms. Let's do that twice more. Breath in. Exhale, you pull the tummy in, you squeeze your bum, and then you push, 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 elongating your spine. Do your best. Last time, maintain that length. Take a breath in. Exhale, draw the navel into your spine, and then push, 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 push with the arms. Good, and then inhale, relax, and then roll your shoulders back, and then roll your shoulders forward. Just relax your shoulders. And then wiggle around, maybe just stretch out your legs, give it a shake. Good. So let's sit in that cross-legged position. You're gonna grab your towel You're gonna fold it like this, and you're gonna reach the towel in front of you. Relax your shoulders. The towel is in line with your belly button. So it's not up here, it's in line with the belly button. Shoulders back and down, crown of the head up. We got breath in into the side of the rib cage, especially into that compressed side. So got breath in. And then as you exhale, you draw the navel into your spine. You're going to squeeze your butt, lift the crown of the head up, and then pull on the towel layer like you want to break it in half. Pull, 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 pull as you exhale. And inhale, relax. Exhale, draw the navel into your spine. Squeeze your bum, pull on the towel. Crown of the head up to the ceiling. Grow tall in your spine. And inhale, relax, but don't collapse. Don't just drop. Stay lifted. 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale, draw the navel in, squeeze your buttock, pull on the towel, grow your spine tall. Inhale. Twice more. Exhale. Good. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, draw the navel in. Squeeze your buttock and then lengthen the spine, crown of the head up to the ceiling. Good, and then relax the arms and just roll your shoulders back, roll your shoulders forward. Good, from here let's come onto the hands and your knees. And we're gonna have your legs together and you're gonna be actually on your fingertips. So tent-like hands, yeah? So you're creating a tent with your hands. If it's too much on your fingers, you can make a fist. So now, pull your shoulders back and down. Your spine is straight. We got breath in. And then as we exhale, we're going to go backwards, keeping that spine long. So we're not tucking under with the spine. We're going to spread the buttock cheeks and you go back, reaching the crown of the head forward. Spine lengthens. And inhale, come back. Let's just do that twice more. So exhale, hips go back, crown of the head forward. Inhale. One more time. Exhale. Hips go back, but don't tuck your tailbone under. Crown of the head forward. Chin slightly tucked in. And then inhale to release. Good. Grab your towel again. And we're going to fold it as many times as you can to create a little platform here. We're going to pop the hips on that platform. So your hip bones going on top of the towel. Your legs are open wide, so the legs are as wide as the mat, and your arms are wide as your mat. So you look like a letter X lying on the floor. Forehead goes down in onto the mat. So we got breath in, and as we exhale, we're going to pull the navel into your spine. So you're going to lift the belly button off the floor, and then you're going to reach the arms and the legs away from each other. And then inhale, relax. And then exhale, lift that belly button off the floor. So draw the navel in, reach the arms and the legs away from each other. But don't lift your arms. Keep your legs and your arms down. And inhale to relax. One more time. Exhale, draw the navel in, and then stretch the arms and the legs away from each other, creating that length in the spine. And then inhale, relax. We're going to add on. Inhale, exhale, draw the navel in. Press the pubic bone down, reach the arms and the legs away from each other. Reach the crown of the head forward, and you're going to hover your head off the floor. Shoulders down. We got breath in to hold. Breath out to release. We got breath in. Breath out, draw the navel in, reach the arms and the legs away from each other, then reach the crown of the head forward, brush the nose along the floor, and then lift the head up, just floating the head up off the floor. We got breath in to hold and breath out to release. Let's go for 2 more. We got breath in, breath out, press the pubic bone down, reach the crown of the head forward, arms and the legs reaching away from each other. Lengthen the spine. Inhale, hold. Exhale, release. One last time. Breath in. Breath out. Pull the navel in. Reach the arms and the legs. Lift your head up. Inhale, hold. And exhale, melt everything back down. Draw the legs in towards each other, hands underneath your shoulders, pushing yourself up. And we're gonna take a child's pose just for a moment. One more breath. And then walk the hands towards your knees and slowly come up. So one more time, we're gonna go into a seated position. So we're gonna sit in a cross-legged position. And we're gonna interlace the fingers and reach your arms up. One more time, we got breath in, you lengthen the spine. Breath out, you draw the navel in, you're gonna squeeze your buttock, crown of the head up to the ceiling, and then push with the arms. Inhale, relax, but maintain that length. Exhale, draw the navel in, squeeze your buttock, and then push with the arms. Good. One more time. Inhale. And then exhale, draw the navel in, squeeze your buttock, push, push, push with the arms. Good. And then relax. Good. Roll your shoulders back and roll your shoulders forward. Good. Rotate your head from side to side. Good. Wiggle a little. Good. Well done, guys. I hope you feel better. I hope your spine feels a little bit longer. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.